Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday the 23rd of July, and these are the charts of the day. Markets had a positive session after starting out sloppy. A lot of stocks we followed did well, and some new ones have risen, I should say. ACHN, 357 up 80 cents on 10 million shares at 29% was the leading percent gainer on my board today. It really did well, and look at this V bottom, spectacular in December, the big run up to resistance and a multi-month pullback that held secondary support, forming a massive inverse head and shoulders. If you really take a close look at the way this is set up right here, we broke the declining tops line and the lateral price resistance of the neckline with a big fell swoop today. And that kind of volume is significant to where I think we may get some follow through. Watch resistance at 4, 4.5, and then we're looking at 5.5 and 7 as potential targets. It might be a swing. Stay tuned. ADNT. Well, I like this chart so much, and I've been watching it and watching and watching. I decided today, after breaking a falling wedge with some energy, and volume picked up to 1.8 million, I put a swing on it. I'm now looking for a move to the 26 range, maybe a take out of that area, a gap fill at 27.5, and then a run to 32.3. AutoNation with the big breakout today of a really nice base pattern, monster volume, and a big breakaway gap out of a large quarterly consolidation here. Right there, telling me this may have some legs to get more momentum into the 52 and 55 range. AUDC, stock we've been following for a couple of years and put a swing on it way back in here. It's done very well over the last year and a half. Today, a new multi-year high, the highest level in 20 years. And next target's going to have to be mid-20s, around 25. That's up there. Nice pop today of $1.64, almost 10% on 1.4 million. Beyond Meat popped new all-time high, then backed off. It's still up on the day, but we're going to have to see if there's a follow-through. We want to see through 2089 for a run into the mid-channel around 230 and beyond. CHMA with a big pop, heavy volume. It did pull back, though, and closed at 786, up 166, but that was the $1.25 off the high. It was up 27%, heavy volume of 19 million. I think that's enough to get this gun to extend to about the 12 range. HAS Hadro with a major breakout today, as you can see through everything, and new all-time highs. The long-term rising channel is intact. The angle of ascent on this right here tells me that the intermediate target might be a move all the way up to 140. So let's keep an eye on this one. It did back off late in the day, but no, I'm sorry, they closed very well here at 119.31. That was a 1080 or 9, almost 10%. Iridium also popped, got up to resistance. Let's see if we can get through this level. The next target is 28.25. We get through that, we could see a run to the top of the channel. It comes in about 33, 33.5. LK swing trade doing well. It exploded yesterday, followed through today. Nice follow through is indeed. I'm looking for the run to match the all-time high 25.96 and take that out into the high 20s. MDOT with a big pop late in the day. That takes it out of a 2-month base, but it leaves it at resistance. We can get this up through the next target, up through, let's say, 8.5 tomorrow. That's my near-term target. This one could very well fly. Stay tuned. PII, nice recovery today. Heavily shorted, up 12% on 3 million. You can see the above volume was the biggest volume on an up day since October 2017, so a long time. Now, if it does get through here, and that's the resistance right now, 95-ish, and I'm looking for 102 and 113. QD swing trade held this trend line, moving averages and popped. I look for a move through 915 for it to get to 11. Snapped out of a 7 or 8 day pullback, a nice orderly one, and the volume was good, real good. I'm looking for a test of the 16.25 range and then 18.5. TERP, well, good old TERP popped, broke out, but then pulled right back near the breakout point and stalled there. Unfortunately, not a great close. But I'll keep this on. I put a swing on it because I felt it may be ready for a much more important move. Although some of the solar energy related stocks today had a decent pullback that may have affected it. Nevertheless, if you look at the long-term chart, I'm looking for at least 16.5, 17.5 short-term. And finally, Yeti, another pop of 398 or 12%, right near its all-time high. A breakout here could lead to 43.45. Folks, that's it for tonight. I got to go. This is HB out. Have a good one. I'll talk to you then.